Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time to learn how to take a quick burst of photos on your iPhone. To capture an action scene or a spontaneous moment on your iPhone, try using the burst mode in the camera app. For those unfamiliar, the burst mode lets your iPhone take a rapid series of photos at 10 frames per second, making it ideal for fast-moving subjects. With multiple shots taken in quick succession, you can easily pick the best frame that freezes the motion just right. That's it, let's get started. So first off, launch the camera app on your iPhone, and then you have to press and drag the shutter button to the left beneath the viewfinder. Then you have to keep your finger pressed down to continue taking photos in rapid succession. After that, take your finger off the shutter when you want to end the burst of shots, and that's about it. When shooting photos in the burst mode, notice how the counter increases in the shutter's original position for as long as you hold it down. This indicates how many shots are being captured in the current burst. It's worth pointing out that Apple also includes an option in iOS settings that, when enabled, allows you to press and hold the volume up button to take burst shots on your device. To do so, just open the settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the camera app. And then you have to ensure that the toggle next to Use Volume Up for Burst is enabled. From now onward, you can capture several images in quick succession by just pressing the volume up button. And after shooting in the burst mode, tap on the email thumbnail in the camera app or open the Photos app and select the burst you just captured. Then tap on the burst in the top right corner and then tap on the best shot or shots you want to keep as an individual photo. You can swipe across the photo or scroll the row of thumbnails below to view them. Now the gray dots below the thumbnails mark the suggested photos to keep. And then you have to tap on the Done option and then choose Keep Everything or Keep Only X Favorites, X being the number of shots you selected. And that's pretty much it. Now you're all set to capture fast-moving moments and never miss a bit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy snapping. Take care. Bye-bye.